Hello viewers, today I have selected the topic differential equations. It is a part 1 video. I am going to solve the first order first degree differential equations by variables separable method. Now I am taking the questions. Find the general solution of the following. Find the general solution of the following. Find the general solution of the following. It is variable separable method. So first question I am selecting is dy by dx is equal to root of 4 minus y square. Right. Now variable separable method means we have to separate the variables. One side we have to write x terms along with the dx. Another side we have to write y terms along with the dy. Right. First thing I am going to do. So whenever dx or dy is down, we have to take it to the other side. So dy equal to root of 4 minus y square into dx. So now we should concentrate on dy. So dy is this side. If you have any y term, we have to bring it this side. We have got y term here. So we are going to bring it this side. Whereas here we have dx. Any x terms are there, we have to take it this side. But here there is no x terms. Now I am going to separate y terms together. So this will be, I am bringing it here. It will be 1 by 4 minus y square within the root. Root of 4 minus y square into dy equal to dx. Now I have separated the variable. So now I have to integrate it. So where dy we have got all x terms, and where we have only dx we have. No x terms here other than dx. Right. Now, so I am writing the formula. Which formula I am going to use for this? Integration of 1 by root of a squared minus x square. A squared minus x square into dx equal to, the formula is sine inverse of x by a plus c. So this is the formula, so I am putting it in box. This formula only that I am going to use here. Right now, so this is in this form. Now I will apply the formula, that is, in the place of a you have 2. So I can write this as 1 by root of 2 square minus y square into dy equal to integration of dx. If you are comparing this, in the place of a you are having 2, in the place of x you are having y. So now I will write it in this form, that is sine inverse of x is y here divided by, in the place of a you have 2, is equal to integration of dx is x plus c. Right. So we can keep it is the general solution I keep. So if you want to simplify further, you can take sine inverse that side. If sine inverse goes that side, it will become sine. So y by 2 equal to sine of x plus 2. Sine of inverse becomes sine. If you are separating from the sine inverse from the values, if it goes that side, it will become sine. Now y, which implies y equal to 2 into sine of x plus 2. Sine of x plus c, this one, sine of x plus c, x plus t is the general solution. So this is the first question. Next I am going to select Now I am selecting the second question, that is find the general solution of secant square x tan y into dx plus secant square y tan x into dy is equal to 0. Suppose if you have got two terms, one side, you have to take one term to the other side. So there are two terms here. So I am taking one term to the other side. For variable separable method, you have to follow these steps. So secant squared x tan y into dx equal to minus secant squared y tan x into dy. Right, now we get an idea. If dx, where dx we have to bring all x terms, where dy we have to bring all y terms. So here dx, I have to bring all x terms. Here you have already x term secant square x, and here you have tan x. So now I am going to separate the variables. Secant square x, I am bringing tan x this side. It is multiplying. If it comes this side, it will divide. Tan x into dx is equal to minus secant square y by, I am bringing tan y this side, tan y into dy. So we have separated the variables and we can integrate it now. Right, we are going for substitution method, because differentiation of tan x is secant square x, differentiation of tan y is secant square y. So we are going for substitution. Let tan x is equal to t. Next, differentiating with respect to x. So which will be secant square x into dx equal to dt. Right, now so secant square x dx, we are going to substitute dt and tan x will be t. This side, let tan y is equal to p. So here we are using the variable t, and so we are going for p, the letter p. Differentiating with respect to x. So which will be secant squared y dy equal to dt. Right, now I am going to substitute it. So which will be secant square x dx is dt divided by t is equal to integration of secant square y dy. So the minus sign is there. We will write the minus sign first. Minus integration of secant square y dy is dp divided by p. Right, now we can write it in proper order. That is integration of 1 by t dt equal to minus integration of 1 by p dp. So differentiation of 1 by x dx is log x. So log of modulus of t equal to minus log of modulus of p plus. If all are in terms of log, we can take the constant also in terms of log. So constant can be taken in any form. So here we have everything in terms of log. That also I am taking. It is log of modulus of c. Right, now I think you will understand this. This everything in terms of log, and this is also in terms of. You can take plus c also. Simply also you can take plus c. Right, now so I am skipping the modulus. I am writing log p. I am bringing this log p this side. Log p equal to log c. Log c. So the formula log a, the base e, plus log b, the base e, is equal to log of a into b base e. Log of a into b base e. So I will write this as, this is the formula. Right. So log of t into p, the base is e, is equal to log c. Right. So we can cancel log both sides. It's also e base e. We can cancel log both sides. what is left out we are writing here? That is TP. TP equal to C. TP equal to C. What is T? Tan X into P is tan Y is equal to C. Is the general solution. Is the general solution. Is the general solution. So next question you see that. Third question. Third question is e power x plus e power minus x into dy minus e power x minus e power minus x into dx equal to 0. Right. Here also we have two terms. In between we have minus sign. So if they both the terms of one side, you have to take first for variable separable method, you have to take one term to the other side. So e power x plus e power minus x into dy is equal to e power x minus both sides, that side will become plus, minus e power minus x into dx. Right. Now we are going to separate the variables. So where you have dy, we have to bring all y terms. There are no y terms here, whereas we have x terms here. So in where you have dx, you have to take all x terms. So now I'll write dy alone equal to e power x minus e power minus x divided by e power x plus e power minus x into dx. Now I have separated the variables. I can integrate it. Right. Now this side integration of dy is y only. Here we are checking the denominator. Differentiation of e power x is e power x. Differentiation of e power minus x is minus e power minus x. So if you are by formula integration of e power x dx equal to e power x plus c. Integration of e power minus x into dx equal to minus e power minus x plus c. So this formula we are going to use. So let us take, let the denominator e power x plus e power minus x equal to t. So differentiating with respect to x. So differentiation of e power x is e power x. Differentiation of e power minus x is minus e power minus x into where you got x terms, you can write a dx that side, which is equal to dt. Right. Now I am going for the substitution. So I'll write integration of dy equal to integration of e power x minus e power minus x into dx equal to dt divided by t. Dt divided by t. So we can integrate it. So integration of dy is y equal to integration of 1 by t dt is log of modulus of t plus c. So y equal to log of t is nothing but e power x plus e power minus x plus c. So here only this side we have log, here there is no log, we can take plus c simply. You can take the constant in any form. So which is the, this is the general solution. Is the general solution. Is the general solution. So next question. fourth question. Find the general solution of y log y into dx minus x dy is equal to 0. Right now, so I am keeping one term this side. Again we have got two terms. Let us keep one term. So let me keep this side, that is y, or else let us take minus x dy. You can take it in any form, that's why I am going for this method. So you can take any term to the other side, that is minus y log y into dx. Right. I have taken this term to the other side. So you can cancel the negative sign both sides. We have minus here. If you are taking this term to the other side, it will become minus. So now I have x dy is equal to y log y into dx. Right. I have dy this side. So I have to bring all y terms this side. So dx is here. We have to bring the x terms that side. So now I will write this as 1 by y log y into dy equal to 1 by x into dx. So I have separated the variables. Now I can integrate it. So while integrating, you can write it in this form. Integration of 1 by log y into 1 by y dy. You can group it together. Integration of 1 by x dx. Right. This is here. Let log y equal to t. Only for this we are substituting. So differentiating with respect to x. So it will be 1 by y dy equal to dt. 1 by y dy equal to dt. So write clearly 1 by y dy equal to dt. Now I am going to substitute for this. So integration of 1 by log y is t into 1 by y dy is dt equal to integration of 1 by x dx. So integration of 1 by t is log of modulus of t equal to log of modulus of x. Integration of 1 by x is log x, plus everything is in terms of log, so this constant also I am taking in terms of log. So now I will write this as, it is in the form of log a plus log b. The base is always considered as e, equal to log ab base e by formula. So I skipped modulus. I will write this as log t equal to, log is always positive. So log of, I will substitute this, log a plus log b, log x into c. If you want to put this base, it will be coming bit down, in between down it is. You can cancel log both sides. So t equal to xc. Right. So what is t and what is what is t we will write. What is t here? T is equal to log y. So log y is equal to xc. You know that the base is always e. Is logarithmic form. If you want to write it in exponential form, this itself is the general solution. If you want to write it in exponential form, which implies y equal to, exponential form is this power this, e power xc, is the general solution. Is the general solution. Is the general solution. So next question. These are all about general solution. We have particular solution also, that we'll see it in the next class. I will write the next question. Find the general solution of e power x tan y into dx plus 1 minus e power x into secant squared y into dy equal to 0. Now I am taking one term to the other side. So there are two terms, one term I am taking to the other side. So e power x tan y into dx equal to minus of 1 minus e power x into secant squared y dy. Right. Where we have got y terms dy, where we have got dy we have to take all y terms. Where we have got a dx we have to bring all x terms. So this is tan y divided by, so right now let's write this is e power x by 1 minus e power x into dx equal to minus secant squared y by tan y into dy. Right. Now, so we can keep the negative sign this side because while integrating, we'll get minus sign. So let me change the sign both sides. Both sides. You will understand that why we have minus sign this side. I'll write here minus. We have separated the variable. I am going to use the integration symbol. 1 minus e power x into dx equal to integration of secant squared y tan y into dy. I have changed the sign both sides. So it will become minus, this will become plus. So this minus sign I will write it in. Right. Now I am going for substitution method for both. So for the first one, let 1 minus e power x equal to t. So differentiating with respect to x. So differentiation of 1 is 0, differentiation of minus e power x is minus e power x into dx equal to dt. We have minus e power x into dx. That's why I am keeping minus sign this side. So other side, let tan y equal to t. Then differentiating with respect to x. So secant squared y dy equal to dt. Secant square y dy equal to dt. Now I will substitute it. It is minus e power x dx equal to dt divided by 1 minus e power x is t equal to secant squared y dy it is. Secant squared y dy. So secant squared y dy is dt. Shall we take this as p? It is p and this is also p. dp. Because we used dt here and we are using t here. So that will be integration of dp divided by p. Right. Now we are integrating it. It is log of modulus of t equal to log of modulus of p. Everything is in terms of log. This also we are taking in terms of constant also. So if you are applying the formula log of modulus of t or t equal to log p into c. So cancelling log both sides, t equal to pc, which implies what is t? T is 1 minus e power x equal to pc. That is, c will write first into p is tan 1. Is the general solution. Is the general solution. Is the general solution. So for this substitution, why I have changed the sign? This minus I brought this side because the differentiation of 1 minus this is the substitution for this integrals, and this is the substitution for this integrals. So next class we are going to see the particular solution. So I think you might have liked this class. If you like this, please subscribe and press the bell icon for the upcoming videos. And thank you, students.